while.
It's been a while.
I know. What's the clue?
Is that the clue? It's a bunch of emojis.
It's not very helpful.
Well, it's obviously something we've never done before, hence the little face.
Why is that the connection you're making?
I'm not supposed to know, but isn't it at a yoga place?
Okay, but that doesn't really help because we're not wearing yoga clothes and no one told us to bring workout clothes, so it can't
what
be
else
yoga.
could be going on at a yoga place?
I don't know.
I guess
The last time we went to a yoga place and we didn't need yoga clothes, it was that laughing yoga episode that me and Joss did.
All right, we're gonna match up with each other. Ready?
So
Okay.
that's so weird.
Wait, have you guys ever done something like learn how to press juices? Like cold press juices?
Literally,
I'm
you're
on this
worse at guessing than Jocelyn is.
because I don't know. New year, new us? No?
That's not what the clue is.
This is a really weird hallway. It's a little wide. I know. I think this is it. 325. Skip it, Jim.
Hi.
Hi. I'm Vivian.
Coco, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Coco,
you.
Nice to meet you. So welcome to Skin Fit Gym.
What does that mean?
Yeah. So today we're gonna do face yoga.
Face yoga.
Face yoga.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you know?
No. How do you do that? Do you put your face on the floor?
It's like I don't even do normal yoga, so no.
So face yoga is a really great exercise for the facial muscles,
Okay.
and it's a perfect natural alternative to Botox or plastic surgery. So
Look
it's
at
good
that.
for anti-aging.
Perfect.
Give myself some anti-aging.
I'm okay with that. Let's do it.
Okay, well, please come in. Do you mind taking off shoes?
Oh yeah, no.
yes,
Ooh,
yes,
we have some slippers.
Yeah, please.
We're getting into school.
I know. I'm glad I'm prepped with my backpack.
Right? I'm not prepped at all, like usual.
What is this? Oh,
What are we
look.
doing?
Lils, maybe I could do this in traffic. And I spend plenty of time in that car.
I just like I can't even tell what what has changed, but they all look better.
Yeah, there's like no more wrinkles and no more under circles.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. So, are you ready for face yoga?
Yes.
Good. Only 20% of the entire facial muscles are actively used by regular facial expressions. So, we're going to today wake up those 80% sleeping muscles.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, you're
I have
gonna
a pretty expressive
Are
face.
you doing
I don't know
it
if I
right
need
now while
any
you're
more.
talking to us?
Not yet, not yet. Okay, so let's start. The first one is a warm-up. So the first warm-up, let me show you how. Gather all the facial muscle to the center of the nose. Everything, as many wrinkles as possible. Shh, everything here.
Okay.
Shh, and then suddenly, bah!
Should we do the hands too?
You don't have to. If you want, you can. But
Okay.
when you open your eyes and mouth, do not wrinkle on forehead.
Okay, I think I need to watch myself do
I know.
this.
Well, so we have to
Right?
make sure we don't wrinkle
Yeah.
up here.
So
Okay.
when you open your eyes and mouth, make sure that you're not causing wrinkles
Oh, but
by
I feel
looking
like
in the mirror.
No,
Yeah.
when you open, you're not.
When you open,
Yeah, no, but I feel like if I do anything,
No,
with
don't
my-
move your eyebrows.
So no, just eyes wide.
Yeah.
Just how do I do that without making my? Oh,
That's
God.
a training. That's a
Oh my
training.
God, my
Yeah.
heart.
Okay, so relax your body, spine straight, shoulder down. Then inhale, then shh, all the facial muscles, the center of the nose, shh, and then suddenly, bah! Then slowly close your eyes and mouth. Feel the lactic acid moving around in the face. So the next one is another warm-up. This is very easy, just like this.
I do that.
I already
like a
do
horse. Oh, maybe I can. A little too cocky there.
Yeah. So those are warm-up.
Okay.
Yeah, and
Now
the
we're
real
ready for the hard stuff.
Yes, the real exercise starts. So we're gonna do from bottom up, which means from the neck.
You
That's
mean
the first step.
the gobble? Because this is the anti-gobble.
Anti-gobble neck. So let me show you how.
So I'm gonna tell you right now, if you want to really freak people out, go do that.
But actually, I'm exaggerating the movement, so you
Oh
don't
my
have to
goodness.
scream. You don't have
Oh
to
no, we
scream
can
like
scream.
this.
Yeah, we want to get the full
Would you say that's a
benefits.
scream? What kind of noise is
Wait,
that?
let me try it. Hold on.
You sound like someone is torturing you, Vivian.
Sorry. Good job.
Did you do it right?
Yeah. So you do in 10 seconds.
Okay.
Yeah, and then the other side 45 degree 10 seconds, and the other side 10 seconds as well.
Okay. Is that why your face is so pretty?
Thank you.
Most importantly.
Something tells me she was born with a pretty face, but that might help.
No, but I've been doing since 25 and I am 38 years old.
You're not 38.
So I
No.
I am
Face yoga
38.
is rolling. Everyone
I will
should
be
do it.
39 soon, so almost like 40. Yeah.
Okay, what next? Give us all the
Okay.
secrets.
Yeah. So let's move on to the advanced version for the neck.
Okay.
Yeah,
more
this was
gobble.
easy, right? It was
Yeah.
easy. Yeah. So let's do more advanced. Let me show you how. Ten seconds. Then the other side. 45 degrees.
You can't stop laughing.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And please come back.
I won't lie, actually, that was kind of difficult. Like, you
Yeah,
can really
it's
feel
hard
that, like,
to do.
working some muscles.
Yeah, muscle, tongue is another big muscle,
Yeah.
and it's connected to neck muscle.
My tongue goes down when
I
I
like
stick it
I
out.
feel it a lot when I do like right here.
Good, good. You should feel. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Are you tired?
A little, but I already was tired.
I'm getting a little sweaty.
Corner of the eyes, cheekbone, and corner of the mouth. If those three are up, you look more fresh.
But otherwise it's saggy. And
Yeah, saggy. So let's do that to make lift up cheekbone.
You get so into character when you do it. Oh gosh.
Like this. Open your eyes as big as possible.
Okay.
Yep.
I'll stare at you.
And then smile. But show me only upper teeth. Do you feel cheekbones are up? Yeah, good. You could support with your hands like this, a little bit up, just a little bit. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Woo.
Whew. Do you feel cheekbones are
Yeah, they feel
a little
kind
bit
of
of a workout.
up and tired?
getting a little hot.
Yeah.
Good, good, good. Means it's working. Yeah. So the next exercise, we're gonna work on corners of the mouth.
Tongues are so weird.
Again, show me only upper teeth, not lower teeth. Okay, so the next one, we're gonna work on lips.
Ooh, the lips.
This is a lips called Lips Small, aka Kylie Jenner lips.
Okay,
I was
perfect.
gonna ask, will our lips look like Kylie Jenner's after this?
Lips Small. So let me show you how. Like this. Easy.
Okay, so start. Do you start with the?
That. Relax. And then press upper and lower lip together as tight as possible. And then slowly move. Then slowly move. Keep closing, keep pressing each other.
That was hard.
It's
that
hard.
I know.
So now let's move on to smile line.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You said that your mom.
You don't
doesn't
have
like
any
it when you
smile
laugh.
line,
No, my
but
mom says to stop making faces because I'm always like,
it's good to prevent before it happens. You don't
Yeah,
have it,
right,
yeah,
right.
but you might in the
Okay.
future. So
We'll send my
this
mom
is
this
very
clip.
easy. Yeah, very easy. Like this.
Get your mind out of the gutter, Viv. So you're just like kind of pressing them out where they would be.
Yeah. So the deepest spot on in the line is here next to the nose.
my nostrils
So
are moving.
pointy tongue, as pointy as possible. Then one.
That's tiring.
Yeah, it is tiring. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
They make me do this when I go get my,
3,
my
4,
mustache
5.
lasered.
Shut up, sound guy.
This is very, very, very small movement. So look at my eyes, especially lower eye.
It's like you're like twitching like you're mad. I feel like I can get a little bit of that one.
It's hard, right? This
Very
is one of the
difficult.
hardest, challenging one. So in order to make things easy, let's make all face. But
Yes,
no
of
wrinkle over
course.
here.
It's still not going very well.
I'm focused.
Sound guy, stop laughing.
Okay, the next one, it's a kind of signature exercise.
Oh, okay.
So I would like you to stand.
Oh.
So before that, let's check your face and determine which one is sagging, which one is up. It's normal that we have asymmetrical face. You're sagging this side, you're sagging this side, right? So we're gonna switch this position.
Okay.
So first, let me show you how.
Oh my god.
She's possessed.
And then the other arm slowly come up and lift up your face, face straight. Inhale, then tongue. Inhale.
Oh my god.
Inhale. Last one more. Inhale. So the last one is a stretch because we caused some wrinkles on during the exercise a little bit. So we need to stretch
Stretch
by
them back out.
doing
Okay.
the last emoji one.
Oh.
So let me show you how.
Looks like your eyes are gonna roll back in your head.
In 10 seconds, like this.
Oh, okay.
Yep. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And come back.
Woo!
Hey.
I know we weren't doing a whole lot, but like I could use a nap.
I could use a nap too. Is that
You're
normal
tired.
after
It's normal,
face
it's
yoga?
normal, yeah,
Yeah,
because we
why?
use lots of unusual facial expressions.
Unless you're really mad and you're like, ah.
Because that's what happens when you get mad. What just happened?
I don't know.
That was amazing. She would go from being like, so like, to then just like,
Oh my
I
God.
don't understand what was
Also,
happening.
apparently I have a really small tongue. Her tongue was so
She
long.
had a really long tongue.
You know what? I bet you it's all the stretching she does.
She is almost 40. If that alone is proof that it works, like sign me up.
Would you guys do it?
Did you do it along with us?
That's what we should have said at the beginning. Everyone should follow along.
I'm sure they will. Let us know in the comments below if you followed along. And then tune in every Thursday because we're here doing weird stuff.
And let us know if we look younger already.
Just lie. Bye.
For more Clevver style, click that box over on the left to see a bunch of dudes talk about women's makeup. Or click that box over on the right to see us visit the Lush factory and make a coffee scrub.